How to buy Ripple's token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there's referral links down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral links. Go down and fund your account to benefit. So check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, and this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click on markets here and you will be able to find the Mixi. So if you don't have an account on Mixi, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on Mixi there and fund it with some USDT. So after that, click on this referral link and you will be able to redirect you to this token page on Mixi. So what you have to do after that, here, select the limit of the market is the same. Set how much you want to buy of that token. Here you will be able to see how much you will be paid on that USDT, and after that click on buy RPLS. Now after that click on markets. So if you want to choose the market option, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after you set the percentage of that USDT that you want to use, click on buy RPLS. So after that you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Ripple's token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.